Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to turn on preload pages in Chrome on your PC. By enabling this feature, you can significantly improve your browsing speed and access web pages faster. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It is represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Performance in the Settings menu. Step 5. Under the Speed section, locate and turn on preload pages. By following these simple steps, you can enable the preload pages feature in Chrome on your PC. This will allow Chrome to anticipate and load pages in advance, resulting in a faster browsing experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.